Hi LawTube viewers, thanks for watching Law News on LawTube. To begin with the first Law News, Supreme Court to bid farewell to Justice Deepak Gupta via video conferencing as his tenure comes to an end amid lockdown. The ceremony has been scheduled for May 6, 2020. It shall begin from 4:30 p.m. and will be presided by the Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, as intimated by the Executive Committee of the Supreme Court Bar Association. Justice Deepak Gupta was elevated as Judge of the Supreme Court of India on February 17, 2017, and his tenure will come to an end on May 6, 2020. A similar farewell for Justice C.K. Abdul Rahim of Kerala High Court was also conducted in the similar fashion just last week in view of the social distancing norms. The Supreme Court of India on Tuesday, May 5, 2020 has designated as many as 228 advocates as advocate on record after they moved in an application for their registration since they have appeared in the advocates on record examination held in June 2019. A total of 228 advocates have passed the prescribed written test for making them eligible for registration as advocates on record of the Supreme Court Advocates on Record Association and were designated as an Advocates on Record in light of an application moved by them. The registration of these candidates have been put on hold on account of nationwide lockdown. In light of this, it has been directed that the advocates who had cleared the written test held in June must register themselves. In another news, the National Company Law Tribunal has cancelled the summer vacation 2020 for all its benches in view of loss of work due to lockdown, and all benches of NCLT shall function during the said period, said a notification issued by the registrar in this behalf states. It may be recalled that the National Green Tribunals and the High Courts of Bombay, Madras, Karnataka, Kerala, Delhi, Gujarat, Orissa, and Telangana have also cancelled the summer vacation to compensate for loss of court work, whereas the Calcutta High Court has notified vacation benches and the Allahabad High Court has restricted the period of vacation between June 22 and June 26, 2020. The Madras High Court on Tuesday passed an unprecedented, unusual order allowing private insurer Cholamandalam MS General Insurance to execute transfer of 23 different motor accident claim petitions pending before various tribunals in the state of Tamil Nadu to the High Court under Section 24 of the Code of Civil Procedure in order to facilitate a compromise arrived at in consultation with accident victim families. Justice N. Anand Venkatesh noted that the court was satisfied that the insurer and the respective claimants and their counsel have agreed for the compromise. A total of 23 claim petition worth in all rupees 51,59,000 will be accorded compromise as a result of the said order. Finally, the bench appreciated the efforts taken by the private insurer, and the court directed the private insurer to satisfy all the 23 awards as per the terms agreed upon within 2 weeks. The Rajasthan High Court stays FIR against BJP chief JP Nadda, registered on the basis of Amit Malviya's tweet against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. In the aftermath of the tweet, the local police in the Hanumangarh town has registered an FIR against Malviya and the BJP party president JP Nadda. The same came to be challenged before the bench of Justice Dr. Pushpendra Singh Bhatti, who has imposed a stay on the FIR and consequent proceedings qua Nadda. So, Lawtube viewers, hope you have enjoyed this law news on LawTube. If you like, do not forget to liking, sharing and subscribing LawTube. If you have any comments or question, you can ask them in the comments. I will be happy to answer you. See you again.